guys, it's your girl Dior back with another video. Today's video is going to be about how do I make my advanced thumbnail. I do have a video where when I first started making thumbnails of how I started doing those ones, but I'm going to upload the advanced one because I feel like no one's talked about how you can use the apps that I have used in this video. But before I get into the video, without further ado, I would like to say please like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get to 100, you guys, and I'll be dropping more constantly and frequently for you guys. Without further ado, let's get into this video. And I also speed the video up. So for this thumbnail, I had to start off with an app I originally started making thumbnails with, which is Fonto. You click plain image, and then you click the white, and you customize the size. And I change it to 280 and then 720. And then you gonna use it. And usually I would have a background, but I decided to use the pictures as the background. So as you can see, I am choosing my pictures that I wanted. Y'all, it took forever for me to decide which pictures I wanted to do. Like, I have a lot of favorite pictures from this night. So you're going to see me click those. Okay, so once you've picked your pictures and size them up, what you're going to do is you're going to save it, image, and then I'm going to go into, I'm just checking to see how it looks first. So I'll go to my photos and I look and see how it looks, see if I like it. I liked it. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go into CapCut, which is my favorite app to use. I use it every now and then, mostly to make all of my thumbnails. But you're going to add a new project and you're going to pick the image that you just saved to your phone. So now basically you delete the end and you add effects how you want it to look. So I always add a filter sometimes just to see how it might look. Usually I don't use a filter, I just usually throw a effect on it. So that's what I'm doing right now. effect that I actually wanted to use, and I usually add 1 or 2 effects. So I am going to go look for another effect as well. It doesn't matter really how long the effect is for the video, because when you're done editing it and doing everything you're going to do, what you're going to do is you're going to end up screenshotting it, because it turns out to be a video if you just save it from CapCut. But yeah. So the next effect I'm going to look for is one that looks like a TV or a recorder, because I like my thumbnail sometimes to look like it has the little recording box around it. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at now, just filling out the options, or whatever the case may be. So yeah. So now we're going to add text. I usually don't put as much text because I feel like that's overdoing it, but I don't like less text as well, because then it's not going to capture a lot of people, eyes. And I had to go back to YouTube to figure out the name of the prom video, because I could not remember for my life. I was struggling, so I had to go find the prom video. So yeah, and went back here and added. And now we're going to change the font. I use about like 20 different fonts in all my tech thumbnails. Sorry, y'all. But it's like I have my favorite ones, and I always add a glow to it, as you can see. I like to decide between, I like the second glow, the Pro Glow. It looks way much better, way more eye-catching to me. So yeah. But we had to do that. So we add the title, and now we're going to add more text. So let's see. We gotta see where we want it at. Y'all, when I say it takes me as long as I'm doing in this video to make a thumbnail, that's literally how long it takes, like 11 minutes, 12 minutes. And I was stressing myself out, because I'd be like, I don't know if I really like this. So I have to ask my friends. I'm like, do you think this will catch people's eyes? So my whole thing is to make the thumbnails that are going to catch my audience. That's how you should always make your thumbnails. It should always capture your audience, the people you want it to reach, But now we're going to add more text. This is just basically about how you want it to look, that's all it really is. Just trying to find that look that is going to capture your audience. It's not really much to it to me. It's really, I don't really know how to explain it. It's like something I can just do all day, honestly. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this voiceover right here and just add songs. Well, there will be songs in between, but yeah. Yeah. Now that I have my second word, I am going to screenshot it and save it to my phone, And once I save it to my phone, I went back into Phonto because I wanted to add a certain sticker, and I'm just now finding out that on CapCut you can add stickers as well. So I'm not going to be using Phonto that much anymore, unless I want to use my pictures as a background. But that is the final look. Well, I gotta add the sticker first. After I add the sticker, I add a word inside the sticker, and then that is the final look. So I save the image, and I go to my camera roll to see if it's exactly how I like it. And that's how I make my advanced thumbnail. If you are new to YouTube and this is too much, and if you want my basic thumbnail YouTube videos, let me know down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know how I did for my first voiceover, because this was so complicated, you guys. I had to literally delete and start over with the voiceover. Kid you not, these voiceovers are in different sections. I will be inserting like music in the part where I do not have a voiceover. But yeah, you guys, this is the final look. And just let me know how you like it. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not joined the family yet, join the family. Yeah. Because if you didn't, then are you serious? Like, for real, what you waiting for, babes? Have a nice day.